I bought and tested these welders so you don't have to waste your money on the wrong one. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend warrior, finding the right TIG welder is crucial. That's why I've put together a list of the top 5 TIG welders on the market today, examining their features, pros and cons, and why each one might be the perfect fit for your needs. Product number 1, YESWLDER 135 amp MIG welder. My experience with the YESWLDER 135 amp MIG welder has been nothing short of enlightening. When I first received this machine, I was struck by its compact design. Weighing in at just 19.27 pounds, it's light enough to easily carry around the workshop or to job sites. The first thing I did was plug it in and test its capabilities. With a robust 135 amp output, I found that it handled mild steel workpieces up to 2.5 inches thick with impressive ease. One of the standout features is its multi-process capability. This machine can do MIG, stick, and lift TIG welding, which makes it incredibly versatile. The digital display is a game changer. It allows you to monitor real-time current, which is crucial for precise control. I remember the first time I used it for a small repair job. The synergy control was a blessing, automatically adjusting the voltage while I tinkered with the wire feeding speed. I felt confident knowing I could fine-tune my voltage settings easily, which is perfect for those who might be new to welding. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, this welder is highly versatile, allowing for various welding processes. The lightweight and portable design makes it easy to transport, and the safety features, including protections against overcurrent and overheating, provide peace of mind. However, there are a couple of drawbacks. The need for an additional lift TIG torch can be a bit inconvenient for some users, and while the automatic voltage compensation is useful, it might not always be as precise as one would hope. If you're looking for a budget-friendly yet powerful machine capable of handling various welding tasks, this is the one for you. The ease of use, safety features, and versatility make it a valuable addition to any toolkit, whether you're a beginner or a pro. Product number 2, YSWLDER 205A TIG welder. The YSWLDER 205A TIG welder has completely changed the way I approach welding. When I first tested this machine, I was immediately impressed by its large LED display. It's so easy to read and navigate, even for someone new to TIG welding. The 200 amps of power it offers means I can effectively work on thicker metals, which is a huge advantage. I remember working on an outdoor metal fabrication project where I needed to switch between TIG and stick welding. This machine's 3-in-1 capability is invaluable. The high-frequency non-touch starting feature was a revelation, providing a reliable ignition without any fuss. Now let's dive into the pros and cons. On the upside, this welder is extremely user-friendly, which is great for beginners. However, it's important to note that it cannot weld aluminum, which may be a deal-breaker for some users looking for a truly versatile machine. So why buy the YESWLDER 205A TIG welder? If you are in the market for a reliable, powerful, and easy-to-use TIG welder that can handle a variety of applications, this machine is an excellent choice. Product number 3, TOOLIOM 135A Stick Lift TIG welder. Using the TOOLIOM 135A Stick Lift TIG welder has been a game-changer for my smaller projects. This machine is compact and easy to set up, which was a major selling point for me. I remember the first time I tried it out. I was amazed at how straightforward the operation was, thanks to the intelligent LCD display. It gives you clear data on your settings, which is particularly helpful for someone just starting out. The welder comes with a lift TIG torch, which made it easy for me to transition between stick and TIG welding without a hitch. When it comes to pros and cons, the lightweight design is a huge plus, making it easy to transport. The multiple welding functions, including VRD, hot start, and arc force, made my welding experience smoother and more efficient. However, the power output is limited, which may not make it suitable for larger projects. So why should you consider the TOOLIOM 135A? If you're in need of a portable, user-friendly welder that can handle smaller jobs, this is an excellent choice. It's budget-friendly, yet it doesn't compromise on performance, making it a smart investment for hobbyists or those just getting started in welding. Product number 4, Sunstack 250A AC/DC Aluminum TIG Welder. The Sunstack 250A AC/DC Aluminum TIG Welder has become my go-to machine for serious welding projects. The moment I unboxed it, I was impressed by its solid build and features. This welder truly shines when it comes to aluminum welding, thanks to its AC/TIG mode. I remember tackling an aluminum fabrication project that required precision. The Pulse TIG feature allowed me to control heat input, reducing distortion in the material while achieving clean, aesthetically pleasing welds. The LCD digital screen is another standout feature, providing clear visibility of settings even with my helmet on, which is a huge plus during intense welding sessions. Pros include its high versatility, handling a variety of metals and welding techniques with ease. The intelligent parameter-saving function is a time saver, allowing me to jump back into projects without recalibrating everything. On the downside, the current measurement in AC mode showed some inconsistencies, which could be frustrating. So why should you buy the Sunstack 250A? If you need a powerful, versatile welder capable of handling aluminum and a range of other materials, this machine is worth considering. It offers professional-grade quality for those serious about their welding, and makes tackling complex projects feel manageable. Product number 5, TOLIOM 195A Stick Lift TIG Welder. My experience with the TOLIOM 195A Stick Lift TIG Welder has been incredibly positive. This welder is designed to be versatile, allowing me to switch between stick and lift TIG welding seamlessly. The first time I used it, I was pleasantly surprised by its performance on various electrodes, including E6010 and 7018. The adjustable hot start and arc force settings made it easy to strike and maintain an arc, which is a significant improvement over some other machines I've used. The intelligent LCD panel is another feature I appreciated. It's user-friendly and makes it simple for beginners to operate. Pros include its solid performance across different welding rods and the optional VRD feature for added safety. However, it's worth noting that while it's effective for its size, it may not handle larger, more industrial projects as well as some higher-end models. So why consider the TOLIOM 195A? If you're looking for a cost-effective, versatile welder that performs well on various tasks, this is a fantastic choice. It's accessible for beginners, but also offers enough performance for seasoned welders who need a reliable backup machine. In conclusion, each of these TIG welders offers something unique, whether it's versatility, power, or user-friendliness. I've shared my personal experiences with each model, and I hope this helps you make an informed decision. Remember, the right welder can elevate your projects and skills. Happy welding!